Hello everyone and Namaskaram. So the last couple of days, while I was spending quality time with my siblings, we tried to engage ourselves in watching old serials of our times, like the times when we were in school and college. So all the serials that we used to watch very often. So we tried to watch the old episodes, and even listening to the title tracks, it gave us such a pleasant experience. It was a very pleasant experience, and it made us so happy. We were certainly lost in our old memories. So this is one aspect of music, that is the music. It has an ability to attach memories to itself. Certain memories it can attach to itself, and those memories can be brought back through the experience of listening to that music. So listening to a musical piece is actually gives you an experience, especially listening to an music piece after a very long time gives you the experience of meeting a long lost friend. Seriously, the happiness is as if you are meeting a long lost friend. And therefore this aspect of music therapy, that is reminiscence, or reminding of old pleasant thoughts, this aspect of music therapy is widely used for therapeutic purposes, especially in disorders of stress or anxiety, or in patients with memory loss or dementia. So as we were listening to all the title tracks like Just Mohabbat or Bade Achhe Lagte Hain or Aabhar Maya, or say even Small Wonder, Truth and Scare, so we were so happy, and I could not resist to sing them aloud. So for that purpose I will be singing to you one of my favorite title tracks, which has lot of memories attached to it. And I would like all of you who also have certain memories attached to this particular song, you can just inbox me. Similarly, there could be some other songs which remind you of your old pleasant memories, so that also you can inbox me right here. So I'll just sing this famous Marathi serial title track to you. Hope it brings back pleasant memories to you and makes you happy as well. मन माझे मोर पिशी स्वप्न जणू, मन माझे शिशिरातील इंद्रधनु, हुंदक्यांची कुजबुज वेदनांचे अलगुज, नवा छंद नवा ध्यास शोधी नवे आकाश, राखेतून मीच नवा घेतला आकार, उजळून जाई पुन्हा अवघाची हा